Hello everybody, it's DeathCap K9 here, and today we are going to be doing a video. Of course, this isn't really a cover video. I got my nails done. It fits the color of my guitar, so. But it isn't really a cover video, but more of a tutorial. And alright, so let's get started. This song, if you've seen in the title, is by Avenged Sevenfold, and it is called So Far Away. Now, I will only be teaching you part of it because I don't know how to do the solo part with the I don't know how to do the solo yet, and I may post a video on how to do the solo alone. But I do know how to do the first part, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. And I will be doing a couple of other videos like this, tutorial videos. If I learn to do a song, then I will share it with you guys. And just so you know, these are chords, and they're fairly easy. Just the easy, you know, E, G, C, D, all of those. So this should be for beginners, and if you want to play it. So yeah, this is So Far Away by Avenged Sevenfold, but the chords, not the solo. If you want to find the solo, I suggest you go somewhere else. But if you do want to find out the first part easy, you're at the right place. So I'm gonna just play it for y'all so y'all know what it sounds like. Alright, this is the song. Alright, so that is the first part of the song, the first verse, whatever you want to call it. And I'm probably not going to be singing because, you know, I might sing in some of my songs I do, but I don't really like to sing, like, without music or whatever. But yes, that is the first part. So how you're going to play that is first you are going to do an E minor. And I do an easy E minor with just 2 fingers. You're going to use your index and your middle finger. And with your index, you're going to place on the 2nd fret of this string right here. And with your middle finger, you're just going to place it directly below on the 2nd fret of this string. You're 1 below the E string. And that's all you do, just those 2 fingers. But for the first part, you're going to want to go up, like that. You're going to want to do for the first note. And then your strum pattern will be, or however you wanted it to be. You customize the strum pattern. You can decide how you do it. But I honestly prefer for the first note that you do, the first powerful note, you go up. So you'll do, then hold it on E, again, and then this is when you do a G. Alright, so how you do a G is you keep your index finger in place where, as if you were doing an E, you keep your index there, like that, 2nd fret. Then you take your middle finger, you put it on the E string, that would be the 3rd fret of the E string, and you take your ring finger or your pinky, whichever you prefer. I use my ring, and you put it on the 3rd fret also of the E high string. So it should look like this: middle finger, index, ring, or pinky, whichever you prefer. So that's how that should sound like. So it'll be like. Alright, and also and as I've said, you can do any strum pattern you want with this. You can listen to the song and just put together a strum pattern, whatever feels good for you. But I like to do the, skim it on the top first. Or that was really loud, I'm sorry guys, but so that you get more powerful when you go on with the chord. Next chord we've got is D. So how you play a D is you take your index finger and you're going to want to place it on the 2nd fret of, I'm bad at naming the strings, guys. I think this is the G string, but it's the 4th string from the top. It is 2nd fret. You're going to want to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd fret of the E high string. You're going to want to take, so like that so far. You're going to want to have this gap in between, nothing on this yet. This is where you use your ring finger. You can use your ring finger and put it on the 3rd fret of, I think this is the B string, I'm not sure though. 5th string from the top. That's how it should sound, guys. So this is how it should look. You got your index, middle, ring. Alright. So far it should sound like this. Alright. So if you want to pause it and try it, then go on ahead and pause the video. But next is let me see. Honestly, guys, since I learned this song from my uncle, I just do 1 fret on this. It sounds as good. Just put your, all you need is your index. I only like to use 1 fret just because it, I don't know, it's a short chord and it's 1 note is all you need to hear that difference. See? You can hear that. So just take your index finger, 2nd fret of the 2nd string from the top. That's all. That's easy. That's just what I do. It's super easy, and it sounds just as good as whatever chord. And then last, guys, is a C. So with that, you're going to need your 3 ring, middle, and index. With your ring finger, you're going to go on the 3rd fret of 2nd from top string. I'm going to learn the name of these strings, guys. I just haven't memorized it completely yet. I'm more of a teach myself person. But, yep, you're going to have it on that 3rd fret of that string. With your middle finger, you're going to go on 2nd fret of, 2nd fret, 1 string down. With your ring finger, you're going to want to go 1st fret of the 5th string from top. So this is what it should look like, guys. You've got your ring, your middle, and your index. And that is the first verse, guys. So this is how it should sound when you're done. Fairly simple, right, guys? So that is the first verse. And you repeat that twice. So you're going to do that 2 times, and then on your 2nd time of doing it, instead of stopping, it'll be like this. And then on your 2nd time, you're going to keep doing the C, and then you're going to go to D. So that'll be kind of like the build up, so it'll be like, oh, wrong string, guys. Then this is the part where it goes, how do I live? And then so that will be E, G, A minor. And how to do an A minor, since I haven't taught y'all this yet, y'all might know. You're going to take your index finger and put it on the first fret of fifth string down, this string right here. You're going to take your ring finger and put it on the second fret of that string right there, fourth down. And you're going to take your ring finger and, wait a second, that's wrong, guys. Take your middle finger and move it up one. Yeah, take your middle finger, move it up one. Still second fret, but it's just on that string instead. And then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to put it on the one where your middle finger just was, second fret of that string. And then you're going to do C, D. So you're going to want to go. So 1, 2, 3. Alright? So it should sound like this. And that, if you put together, will be the main part of the song. You can play this throughout the song. I don't know how to do the solo part, but that is pretty much the whole song, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a like if it helped you. Subscribe for more videos like this. Gaming videos, vlogs, art videos. We have it all here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.
What's this?
Oh, what is that? We're going to see Baby Metal, guys!
Baby Metal.
Baby Metal!